Accor Live Limitless Review, Usage Experience. Accor Live Limitless, also known as ALL, is the loyalty program designed by Accor for travelers who prioritize comfort, flexibility, and premium experiences across the globe. Whether you're staying in a budget-friendly Ibis or indulging at a luxury Raffles Sofitel, this program ensures every stay counts toward earning rewards. ALL offers a tiered membership structure: Classic, Silver, Gold, and Platinum, each bringing escalating perks such as welcome drinks, late checkouts, room upgrades, and exclusive lounge access. The standout feature? Points flexibility. Earn points not only through hotel stays, but also via dining, car rentals, and exclusive brand partnerships. Redeem these points seamlessly for free nights, dining vouchers, or experiences like concerts and sporting events. This program shines for frequent travelers who value a mix of hotel brands, as Accor operates in over 100 countries with more than 5,000 properties. ALL is particularly useful for business travelers who crave convenience and perks like guaranteed late checkouts, and leisure travelers who love indulging in unique experiences without overextending their budget. My experience? Straightforward and rewarding. Booking stays directly through Accor's app is intuitive, with bonus points often available through promotions. The partnership network is another major win, allowing you to earn points even when not actively traveling. However, keep in mind, point values can vary depending on redemption type, so it's wise to plan strategically. While ALL is generous in benefits, it's most rewarding for those who consistently stay within Accor's ecosystem. In short, Accor Live Limitless is a loyalty program that lives up to its name by offering unmatched versatility for both budget and luxury travelers. If you're someone who frequents hotels, appreciates exclusive benefits, and loves having a range of redemption options, this program is worth considering. That's been my experience. ALL rewards loyalty, and the benefits feel tangible every step of the way.